Hi, this is Consuela Dobbs, and I just wanted to take a moment to highlight my top two affiliate marketing programs of 2023. I know it's still the top of the year, and everyone is looking for the perfect opportunity to join. A lot of people want to change their lives. They want to change their situation. With the times that we're living in now, we have inflation. We have a lot of things going on with the economy, and as sure as this channel is called, uh, create your own econ, short for economy. You want to build your own economy. So whatever happens to this economy that we live in, this society, you will still, be okay because you have the skill set, the tools, and everything you need to make it in this economy. So affiliate marketing to me is the perfect business to get into for so many reasons, but we won't get into that right now. But of course, I want to highlight to you my two uh, favorite affiliate marketing programs right now, and these are very simple. They're as far as what the comp plan is and what you need to do in order to be successful. Now, in order to be successful, it's always going to take consistency. It's not overnight. You know, you're not going to receive the same results as anyone else who's successful overnight or right off the bat. It's going to take effort on your part, on any opportunity or situation. However, these are my two favorite affiliate programs. I'm eyeing another. I don't want to take on too many things. I'm all for having multiple streams of income, but I feel you should always focus on one or two core programs. And these particular two are dealing with a marketing system and laying a foundation for online marketing. And I feel like you should really take a look at these because they're very solid. One is fairly been around for a decade. Another, is fairly new, but is very promising, and it involves getting a lot of cash flow coming to your business up front and very quickly. So we're just going to go ahead, and I'm just going to present the first one. If you have been paying attention at all to my channel, you're probably familiar with the Cash Now funnel. The Cash Now funnel, it is powered by a company called Power Lead System. And the Cash Now funnel is a funnel within the Power Lead system, which is a marketing system where you can build funnels and grow your list by driving traffic to what is called lead capture pages. And that's what this is, a lead capture page. And your prospects will enter in their information, and now they're on your list, and you can email to them anytime you want to. You can email and stay in contact with them and possibly convert them into a customer or team member at some point. So, and the Cash Now funnel is converting like crazy, meaning, I've been sending traffic to this funnel, and I've been getting at least 50% of the traffic of the clicks that I send to this funnel. I've been getting opt-ins or people as subscribers to my list. And that's important because you need a subscribers list so that you can have people, you can build an audience and have people to present your opportunity to, and possibly other opportunities. But this particular funnel is converting very well. I've signed up many gold signups with this, and what's great about this is it comes with a training. You don't have to train anyone how to set this up. Once they join Power Lead System, they will go through the training. This is one of the first videos that they will see. And this will basically explains to them how you're going to make money. What's this all about? It definitely mentions how long Power Lead System has been in business. It explains the program in full, the comp plan. Our team leader, he tells his story on how he started out with this company. It started in 2013, I believe. So they've been in business for 10 years, and he takes you to a very quick, simple, comprehensive training on how to get started. You can get started on this the same day, you know, because it's just so easy to set this up. So you have 3 steps. You have your fast start training. You go ahead and get started and get enrolled. And then, of course, you have 3 steps. You have the first step. You have your second step here, which tells you how to set up your funnel. And then you have your third step, which trains you how to drive traffic to your funnel. Now, I've been driving traffic to this funnel for months, and it has been converting phenomenally. So that's the first affiliate program, and I'm very excited about that because pretty soon I'm going to be trying a new traffic source with this funnel, and this is top-notch traffic. The traffic is the best on the planet, and I'm very excited to soon be able to share these with my team members. But the second program, it's called GuaranteeLeads.io, but it's Guaranteed Leads. And what this system is it's going to show you how to drive traffic to your lead capture page and capture top-notch buyer leads. And they give you a lot of resources in the back office on how to attract leads and get signups. And with this particular program, you get $75 per sale. So it's a one-time $125, but you'll get $75 every time you enroll someone into this program. So this is a program where you can get some quick cash flow coming into your business, and your business can grow very quickly. So this is a very exciting affiliate program. So with this program, you can get a lot of cash up front with the cash down funnel also, but it's a very lower ticket, a lower ticket program. Whereas this, you get almost $100 per sale, $75. $50 goes to the system. Of course, they have to maintain the site, and handle all your customer support and all of that. So that's why that particular portion goes to the company, but you get $75 per enrollment. Of course, your second sale goes to your inviter, but everyone that you bring in passes their second sale to you. So that's another way of leveraging your efforts. So it's very powerful. So this is another great program that I'm very excited about. I'm beginning to drive traffic to this and get leads to this program. So this is another great program that any newbie, if you're just getting started, this is something that you can get started for a one-time fee for the program. And then all you have to do is invest in driving traffic to your lead capture page and get leads and convert them to sales. So these are 2 great programs that you could consider. The initial cost is not an arm and a leg. You can get started. This is something that if you're ready to get on the ground floor on your online business, these are 2 good businesses that you can start with. These are 2 great starter businesses. And like I said, Cash Now Funnel, Power Lead System, it's been in business for 10 years. It's not going anywhere. As long as there's online marketing, it's not going anywhere. I don't see it going anywhere. So this is a good program to get started in. Guaranteed Leads, excellent program also to get started in. Take a look at one of these and just get started. That's the most important thing. It's still the top of the year, the first quarter. Let's get in and crush it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.